Hello and welcome back. This is Arnold Height with 3 Talents Marketing, continuing the series of setting up branded email hosting with Google. In the last video I showed you how to activate your email account with Google to get everything routing over to your new Google Apps account. In this next video I'm going to show you how to test your email and ensure it's working. I will also show you how to forward this email address to an existing email account should you want to use an account you've already got set up and you're familiar with. The value to having this branded email hosting account is so that you can brand yourself as a professional and have your domain name in your email address. For instance, arnold@3talentsmarketing.com. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser, and we'll first go out to Google Apps. So go ahead and find your bookmark and get logged in there. And once you're logged in, you'll see the little email account or icon there. You can click on that. And if you're going to use this as your primary email address, you may want to click on this link here, and it will pull up your email for you. But you're going to want to keep in mind that this would be the email address that you're going to use to access your email. Rather than going to mail.google.com, you'd put in the /a/your domain name. So say you're out and about on vacation or wherever and you need to get to your email, you can access it from any web browser by going to mail.google.com/a/your-domain-name.com. Well, whether it's .com or .net, your domain name would be at the end of that. So go ahead and click on that link and you'll see that you have your brand new empty email address. It looks just like Gmail. In fact, all the features and everything are just like Gmail. It's just all bundled into your Google Apps account. So to test this, what I'm going to do is go over here and I'm going to log into a standalone Gmail account that I manage for one of my sons. He gets correspondence regarding games and whatnot that he plays online. So I'm just going to use that to send myself a test message. So what we'll do is click on Compose New Email, and we will address that to your account that you created previously. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new mail here and send it over to the account that I created for my Google Apps account. If you don't remember, it is listed up here at the top of your mailbox. It would be the username that you use to sign into your Google Apps account and @yourdomain.com. And I'm just going to put in a little test message there. I like to just put something in both the subject and the body, because some mail filters will filter out things that don't have subjects in them and don't have anything in the body. So just put some little blurb in there and go ahead and click the send button. And you may be using a Yahoo account or some other account that you have. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's some other email account. And then when you come back over to your inbox in the Google Apps account, the Arnold Height at reclaimtothemax.com, then you will see that the email did in fact come through. It came through very quickly, most likely because both of these accounts are on Google's network. So the main thing that we're testing here is that those MX records that we created were properly propagated throughout the internet and that email is in fact routing to this Google Apps account. Which, if you've gotten that far and you did receive the email message, congratulations, you have successfully configured your Google Apps account for use with Gmail. Now, one other thing that we may want to look at here is, let's say you already have a main email address and you don't really want to, stop using that address, and you just want to have your email that you've set up here go to the email address that you've been using for years. You may want to consider changing that and making it so that your old email address comes to this new account, but for the meantime, if you're not ready to make that jump yet, what you can do is come up here to the Settings tab up at the top right hand corner of your Google Apps account and click on Settings. From there you will see a forwarding and pop/IMAP. Go ahead and click on that link there, and here it says forwarding. Under that section you will click the forward a copy of incoming mail to, and right here where it says email address you can put in anything that you want. It doesn't have to be a Gmail account, it can be a Yahoo account, it can be an MSN account, or whatever it may be. So for instance, I could put in arnoldhite@yahoo.com, and then on this box here what you can do is you can say I'm going to keep a copy in this Google Apps inbox. You can have it archive the copy so that it's not accumulating in your inbox, but you can still get back to it for a certain amount of time. Or you can just say, I only want to manage one copy of this email, so I'm just going to have it forward this copy to my inbox at yahoo.com, and then go ahead and delete this copy. And then go ahead and click Save the Changes, and there you go. Now from this point you may want to go back over to your other alternate email, something other than this email address and the one that you just forwarded it to. Maybe you have to get hold of a friend and have them send you an email, or just wait for email to start routing through. Well, actually you would have to give a hold of someone and have them send it to this new Google Apps address, and then make sure it shows up in the inbox of your yahoo.com account. So just to take that extra step and test that out and make sure it's working. Okay, congratulations. If you've made it this far, you've successfully set up your Google Apps account for hosting your own branded email account. I hope you've enjoyed this information. If you have, please take a moment to rate my article or drop me a comment. Thank you very much and have a great day.